Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove temporary files on Windows 11. As the name suggests itself, temporary files are those files that apps store on your computer to hold information temporarily. Apart from that, Windows 11 and 10 also save many other temporary file types, including leftover files after installing a new version of Windows, upgrade logs, error reporting, temporary Windows installation files, and much more. Usually, these files don't cause any issues on your computer. However, they can overgrow and may take up a lot of space on your hard drive, resulting in your PC may run out of space. You can save your valuable hard disk space by removing these temporary files from your Windows 11 and 10 devices. It is safe to erase these files. You can safely remove temporary files using the Settings app or Disk Cleanup tool. How to erase temporary files on Windows 11? To delete or remove temporary files on Windows 11, open the Settings app by pressing Windows +I keys on the keyboard. After that, on the Settings window, click on the System category from the left side pane. On the right sidebar, click on the Storage tab. Then, click on the Temporary Files tile. On the Temporary Files setting page, scroll down to the bottom and check the option Temporary Files if not already checked. Now, scroll up and then hit the Remove Files button. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.